Do you want to earn money online? I am having 3 best ways to earn money in 2024 and all are experienced by me. So let's get started. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Why I am saying affiliate marketing? It is growing so fast. The industry worth in 2022 is $8.2 billion, but in 2024 it is almost doubled. It is $15.7 billion. Those who don't know what is affiliate marketing, in this you have to sell the products of other companies through digital platforms or physically and earn a commission on every product. The affiliate programs are available for both digital products and physical products. Best affiliate program for physical products is Amazon affiliate and for digital products is ClickBank. Number 2. Editing agency. Why I am saying so? Because in it you don't have to edit any video. Suppose you grab a client for editing in $50 and you find an editor who works in $30. You can give work to them and you will earn $20 without editing any video. You work as a boss. And this market is growing day by day. If you want to start, I prefer you make an Instagram page of your agency and upload some edited videos on it as a portfolio. But remember, the videos should be amazing. Then you can easily get clients. Number 3. Instagram theme page business. Those who don't know, this is an Instagram page on a particular niche and you have to re-upload content related to that niche, and it has numerous ways to make money. It makes money by sponsorships, collabs, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, by selling digital products and many more. The thing you have to do is make your page appear like a brand and grab audience on any one niche. Some best niches for 2024 is number 1. Business and finance. And then you have to post luxury lifestyle videos. Number 2. Health and fitness. In it you have to share tips and tricks related to health. Number 3. Animals. You can make a page on a single animal like cats or dogs, as well as on all animals. Also, and this is the best way to make money, and if you want to know any one of them in detail, let me know in the comment. I will make a full video on it. If you want to support me, please like and subscribe because it's my second video on YouTube. And remember, prayer is man's greatest power.